Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I show you how I polish the shoes like a mirror glass, and we do this shoe. For this we need a wax, a hard wax and water and a cloth. And we have a special polish glove. The first time we need the wax. We put this wax only with the fingers on the top of the shoe. And we put only a little bit, not too much wax. And with this wax we have then a very beautiful shine on the shoe. We put only a little bit. And only with the fingers, please, not with brush or others type. And really, we do only with like this. Only little bit, not too much. And only with the finger, not with brush or other types. And then we stay the shoes for 10 till 15 minutes, and after we polish. So, and now we polish the shoes with this glove or with a brush. We can do both, with brush or the glass. I like this more. They come a lot of more shiny. So, and now we start with the mirror glass. For this we need a hard wax, water and a cloth. And also this we do only with the finger and only a little bit and only of the hard parts of the shoe. In the heel and in the front. And the mirror glass is only possible by good quality of shoes. By bad quality is it not possible. We need a good leather with the hard parts on the shoe. And now then we do also only with the finger and only little bit. We put a lot of times. Also only a little bit. more times hard wax is like a more shiny. And I like the real shine, like a mirror. And now we polish with a cloth. We put on 2 fingers, we dry. It's strong. And now we take only a little bit water and little bit wax, little bit water, little bit wax, every time only wax little bit water, like this, no more, little bit wax, on this way we make the absolutely mirror glass shine on the shoes. And also in the heel. The polish can never be ending. You can polish and polish and polish. And then we have also make only a little bit on the soft parts. Then we make this only with a little bit water. We can also the sole polish it, but the sole polishing is only for show. We don't need this. The same system, little bit wax, little bit water, and the shining is ready. So, and now we make also the heel. So we can do more shine. Now we do the shoe tree inside and make the final polish.